Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a parallelogram, PQRS. We are given an expression in terms of x, PS, 4x minus 2. We are also given the perimeter, 6x plus 18. Express SR in terms of x. Well, I hope you can see that if this is 4x minus 2, QR is also 4x minus 2. QP, RS are the same. So my 6x plus 18, which is my perimeter, I just need to minus away 4x minus 2 and 4x minus 2 and divide by 2. So that's the approach. Okay. There. So 2 times 4x minus 2 and 2 SR, because the length are equal, is equal to 6x plus 18. And let's solve this equation. Expand and simplify. So I'm going to start solving this equation. Where I'm multiplying to get ax minus 4 plus 2 SR then continue to solve by shifting and ensuring all the other terms on one side, and one side only have my SR. Then continue to simplify, and you will eventually get to this stage where I have 2SR equals to negative 2x plus 22. And from there, I will need to divide by 2 on both sides, or times half, to get to negative x plus 11. Of course, if you don't like to write negative x in front, you can always write 11 minus x b in this way. Both are fine. And so, we have successfully gotten our SR. So that is step 1. Next, they tell me the length of this SR is half of PS. So literally, I'm going to do that. 2 of PS is equals to SR. And I'm going to substitute in the expression in 2 times my 11 minus x is equals to 4x minus 2. And now it's essentially solving for this equation where I multiply out, where I expand, and simplify here, and I'm going to solve for x. I'm going to shift all the x terms to the left hand side and all the constant, which is the term without any x, to the right hand side. And continue to solve. Eventually you will get x equals to 4. And once I know x equals to 4, I can then find my perimeter. Yeah, 6x plus 18. So it's simply 6 times 4 plus 18 42 cm. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.